Hello everybody, welcome to this week's tips and tricks video for Tekla structures. Today we are going to take a look at faster modeling of wireframes. We saw an example of a roof structure with a ridge in my last video. Let's see how to model that faster than the conventional method. We have half of the roof modeled already. We need purlin beams modeled to the north and south of this ridge beam. Let's copy this beam linear at 3 feet. Let's make 5 copies to the north. Normally, we would select the handles of the beam to extend up to the intersection of the hip beam. We have to repeat this process for all 5 beams because the lengths are different. This is a tedious process. Instead, if we go to the applications and components and search for extend, we would find an application called extend beams to vertical plane. With the beams selected, select the application. Pick the first point of the plane, then the second point. Now the beams are extended. We can repeat this process with the beams selected. Let's interrupt. The work points are exactly aligned with the center of the skewed beam. Let's mirror these beams to the south. Alright, all the beams are modeled now, but as you can see, the roof structure is flat. We are going to use construction objects to form the ridge. Let's go to construction object, select the line. In the magnetic drop down box, select S and draw a construction line along the skewed beam. Now I'm gonna copy this line to the other skewed beams as well. Make a right click and go to copy special, select copy to another object, select source object and select the other skewed beams. All 4 construction lines are magnetic. We are going to select the handles of the lines that are going to make the ridge, not the handles in the perimeter. Let's raise the work points to 6 feet on the z-axis. Now the ridge is formed. The purlin beams are arrayed in the right formation, in the right exact orientation. What happened here is anything that touches the magnetic line is attracted to the line. It will move along with the magnetic line. It's up to our creativity on how to use these tools. If I undo this, the roof will get back to a flat structure. This method can be used by construction planes as well. Let's draw a construction plane. Construction planes are always square or rectangle. I learned that now. Let's select the construction plane. Make that magnetic. Select the 2 handles at the ridge beam. Go to Move Special, Linear and raise it to form the ridge. Like I said again, it's up to our creativity on how do we use this tool. Alright, that's it for today. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.